consistent noises get me to a level where I want to fight you. And like, my mom was like, how come every apartment complex you got a problem with somebody? And I'm like, it's not just me, but it is actually. Like, it's when you're neurodivergent, consistent sounds, like if you were tapping like this next to me, it's going to get louder and it's going to intensify. Whereas if you're neurotypical, it tends to fade into the background. And so it's like little things like that that we never talked about. Whereas like level 2, then you may be getting into like some like not being able to hold down a job.